Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to show you how you can customize your cart page in WooCommerce with Elementor. So let's get started. We will go here, we will open our site and then we will go on shop and open a category, and then we will select a product and quick view this, and then we will going to add this product to cart. So after adding this to the cart, we will go to the cart and you can see this is our like cart page. So we have to customize this. So for this we will click this edit page and open this, and then we will click this edit with Elementor. So we will go here and click this plus icon, and then we will select this option. Then we will search here the cart option and we will select this. So we will drag and drop this here, so it will show us this option. So here you can see this template is created. So now we can fully customize this from all the options. So let's get started to customize this. So first we have the option of layout. You can select the one column or two column. So here you can see how it is looking. So I will select the two columns here. Of course it is looking more nice. So I can also you can you use this option for to stick it right. So you can also update the text of all the titles and all the things. So as I told you, it is a fully customized thing. Elementor is a very good tool. So as you can see, this is the apply coupon text. You can also update this as I'm doing this free coupon, and you can do this, but I will simply put it back where it was, this apply coupon. Then you can see these settings, the totals. So here you can update this text. So we can type here the cart total, and we can customize this and type the total value. So here it is looking now more professional. So we can do this also, and we can move this to right, center or left, whatever you want. And then this is the update button. We can also fully customize this, and we can also do this as a new button. So I will get back to the update, and we can also set its alignment. And here is the proceed to checkout text. You can also update this according to your preferences. You can type click here, checkout, or whatever you want. It is according to you. So here is some additional option, we will also explore it. So you can use all these options. You have to explore this, and you can fully customize your cart page according to you as you like it. So if we go here on our website and scroll down, here you can see our theme is like a Christmas theme, the red and white. So we will customize this on our theme according to our theme, and now we will set its color scheme according to ourselves. And from the styles option, we will have this section to update the color scheme of everything. We can choose the background color from here. We can do this red or black. So it is looking very weird, so we will set back it to the white. And we can choose all the color schemes of all things here. You have the option of typography here, you can see. So you can select the color, and you can fill the color in any text you want. So this is the color of the card totals, where it is written like here. You can see it is now red. So I will put it back to its original color. So now we can explore the more options here. You can see this one. We can also like change its text fonts. We have a font family here. You can update this. So you can see. So I'm putting it back, and we can change everything's colors from here, the text, and you can have a look. So we'll scroll more down and scroll more options. Here is the color scheme of this button. You can have a look. So this one, and then we will click this here, and you can check out all the color schemes. We will do this according to ourselves to match the theme perfectly according to our website. I'm doing some basic, like you have some mindset of your color scheme, your theme of the website. According to that you can modify this as you want. You can change the text fonts, or you can update the text colors according to you. Here you can see the quantity box. I am updating their color. You can also do that if you want. So you can also like update the color of this total and bill. You can increase the weight of this one, and okay. So now we will proceed to the checkout button. You can also update the color of this one. So here we will try to do this red, and you can see it is red now. So there are more options. We can also do the hover option to black. When we will hover our mouse on this, it will turn into black. We can also add some like animations on it. So whenever you will hover the mouse on it, animation will appear up like this is popping up, and some animations. You can explore everything from here, and here is the customize option. So we can customize this. So from here we will you can see, have a look. It is now customized according to me, and now I'm simply going and remove this old one, and we will go to the settings, and we will remove this from our desktop and mobile website. So the previous one is removed. Now we will update the site, and this one will show up on the website. We will go on the website and refresh it. Here you can see a fully customized cart page in WooCommerce. So here was the video. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching.